Hello you guys. So it's Two Peas Wednesday in the Jamaican Cooking Journey kitchen. We are rocking some salt beef and some pigtail and some pinners and you name it. Old time salt beef and pigtail. Old time we mix the meat and all of that. So this is what is happening. I'm just simmering down. I've already moved my scallions and all my seasonings, and this is what it's like. It's coming to come. Right here we are preparing our white rice. You know white rice goes with stew peas. So this is what is happening in my kitchen this Wednesday. It was just too hot. I could not record for you. So go to the channel, check out all my stew peas videos. In fact, I have a playlist there. Check it out and make yourself some stew peas if it is cooler where you are. I'll catch you again with another video.